Hey guys, welcome to TechiesGuru. Today I'll be learning how to set password screen lock in TeraBox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to set password screen lock in TeraBox app, first open up your TeraBox app, as I've already opened the TeraBox on phone. And after open your TeraBox app guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three line icon available for us. Tap on the three line icon at the top left corner of the screen and you land over here where you can see the settings option available for us just above the webmaster. Tap on the settings button over here and you can see the security center option available for us. Tap on the security center at the top of the screen and you can find the first option that says screen lock over here. Now in order to set password on the screen lock while opening the TeraBox app, you can see the toggle icon at the right side of the screen lock. Tap on it and you'll be taken to this interface where you'll be required to enter your screen lock password. Enter your screen lock password guys and re-enter it for confirmation over here. And with that being done guys, you can say it says screen lock set successfully. And with that being said guys, this is how to set password on screen lock in TeraBox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.